Hi, my name is Brad Siff. I'm the founder and president of BioWave. This video is going to show you how to use your BioWaveGO unit to get immediate, long-lasting pain relief for groin pain. First, you need to identify the location of the groin pain. So palpate, find the one or more locations of where the pain is. The first thing we want to do is take a damp washcloth and clean those two locations thoroughly, clean the skin so that we get a good electrical connection when we place the electrodes. Next, we're going to connect the electrode connectors to the blue connectors on the cable. The orientation of the connector doesn't matter. You can spin it either way, and either electrode can connect to either end of the cable. Next, we peel the electrode off of the blue liner. We place it directly over the first location of pain, and then the second electrode over the second location of pain. The electrodes have to have a minimum spacing of 1 inch. The electrodes can never touch each other. If the edges touch, you can get a burn. Next, we're going to connect the other end of the cable to the port on the 45-degree angle of the device. Press it in so it clicks all the way in place. That cable can rotate around 360 degrees in its port, so it doesn't matter which direction that it's pointing. Now we're ready to start the treatment. We turn on the device by pressing the power button. The green bars are the battery indicator. The white bars are the countdown timer. And to start the treatment, we're going to press the plus button and keep holding it down so the sensation that you feel is strong but comfortable. The blue bar indicates the intensity you're at. After 3 seconds, it turns to white. The white bars are again your countdown timer. It's this easy to get immediate, long-lasting pain relief for groin pain using your BioWaveGO unit.